To save the contacts that are present in your Android device to the Google Drive account, what you do, open this phone icon, go to this contact option, then select any one of the contact at first. After that, tap on this all to select all of the contact. Select this share button and then tap on this option save to drive. Now if you have more than one Google account in your Android device, then you can tap on this arrow here and then you can select where you want to save that contact. After that, if you want, you can rename the file also and then select save. So once you have saved the contact to the Google Drive, you can restore it in any device where you can access the Google Drive. Now you can see that there is no contact in this device. So if I want to restore the contact, I will open the Google Drive application at first. Then I will look for the contact file that I saved. So this is the one. What I will do, I will tap on the contact file, and then these are all the contact, and if I want to save it to my device, I will select save, and then I can select the option phone in order to save it on my phone and then select. So once I do it, I can just go to the phone icon here, and if you see, now I have contact saved to my device. So this is how you can either backup and then restore the contact from Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.